Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating the virtual machine immediately. Set type to Microsoft Windows and version to Windows XP, 32-bit. Allocate 512 2048 MB RAM depending on needs. Choose dynamically allocated VDI and a 1020 GB virtual disk. Attach the Windows XP ISO to the virtual optical drive and enable I/O APIC if needed for some XP service packs. Once done, confirm network adapter set to NAT for Internet or bridged for LAN access. You proceed through the Windows XP installer. Create a primary partition, choose NTFS for performance, and follow prompts to set regional settings and an admin password. After the desktop appears, insert the VirtualBox Guest Editions ISO from the Devices menu and run VBox Windows Editions. EXE to enable better resolution, seamless mouse, and shared clipboard. Once done, reboot the VM and configure display scaling, shared folders, and USB controller to match your workflow so files and peripherals work smoothly between host and guest. You finish by installing antivirus and any legacy applications, then create a snapshot labeled Clean Install to save the working state. Make sure shared folders are red/right and set appropriate permissions on the host. If networking or boot errors occur, verify the ISO checksum, switch the virtual disk controller between IDE and SATA, and increase RAM by small increments. These fixes often resolve driver or resource conflicts. Once satisfied, export the VM appliance if you need to move or back up the environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.